Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get a 6 or roll a 6 on Wcoin lucky dice consistently for 3 days. 3 times daily, you'll be able to roll the dice and get 6. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how to do it. You'll be thanking me later for these Wcoin tips. So guys, just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before I go ahead now to show you guys this Wcoin lucky dice 6 rolling strategy, let me show you guys how you can get more coins on this platform, how you can get more rewards. So guys, the first way you can increase the number of coin you can mine in this platform, or the number of token you can mine, is to do what is called staking. You can see where the arrow is pointing, you can see where it is written staking. Let me tap on it to show you guys. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see this is my staking dashboard. As you can see here, I have 2 active staking. You can see the last one that I did. You can see I staked over 35 million coin, and you can see what I'm going to be earning. 43 million coin. That means 8 million additional coin. That's what I'm going to be getting from this staking. I'm getting 8 million profit. So guys can see, you can see the one at the top, the arrow is pointing at it. I staked over 6 million coin. You can see what I will be earning. You can see over 8 million coin. That means 2 million coin profit, which is actually huge. So guys, now you can see my staking is ready to be claimed. So guys, let me claim it right away. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it, over 8 million coin received from staking. So guys, let me claim it right away. So guys, now you can see it has been claimed. You can see I have just one now remaining. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can stake. If you want to stake, what you have to do now is to tap on the plus icon. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Before I tap on it, you can see that there are only 3 slots that you can actually use to stake. You can see the first one is taken. It's just remaining only 2. So guys, let me go ahead now to stake. Let me tap on the plus icon. So guys, now you can see Wcoin. You can see you're getting 20% of what you stake. So guys, let me tap on stake right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next duration. You can see you can stake for 3 days, 7 days or 14 days. For 3 days you get only 2% profit. For 7 days you get only 7% profit. Then for 14 days you get 20% profit. So guys, let me tap on 14 days. That's the highest profit, which is 20%. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see I've selected 14 days. So let me tap on continue. So guys, now you can see the available number of coins that I have in my account, which is over 21 million coin. So I can decide to stake 25% or 50% of it, or 75% of it, or all of it by tapping on max. So guys, let me tap on max. I want to stake all of it. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see my maximum amount has appeared there. So let me tap on continue. So guys, now you can see the info, duration time 14 days, the amount I stake is over 21 million coin, the percentage of my profit is 20%. You can see I will earn over 2.5 million coin. So guys, now you can see it's ending on August 4, 2024. So guys, let me tap on stake right away. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see I've staked it. Now I have just 1 slot remaining for staking. So guys, now let me go back now. That's what you need to do in order to increase your coin here on Wcoin. So guys, let me show you guys the second thing you need to be doing. What you have to do now is to tap on tax. You can see where it is written tax. Let me tap on it. So guys, you have to be coming here every day to claim this reward. You can see they said visit Wcoin every day to claim reward. You can see it here. You have to be coming to this tax section every day to claim this reward. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on claim. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see received. So let me cancel that now. So guys, now you can see my balance has increased from 0 to 12,000. Remember, I staked all my coin. So guys, now let me go back now. So guys, now the third thing you need to do in order to increase the number of coin that you mine every day is to go over to where it is written mates. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, this particular one is for those who have friends, those who have invited others to join this platform. So guys, I can see the total amount that I've earned from my friends. You can see over 20,000 coin. So guys, now for me to claim it, what I have to do now is to tap on claim all. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now I can see received. So guys, now you can see I've received it. So let me go back now. So guys, let me show you guys the 4th way that you can maximize your profit in this platform. What you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see boost. You can see boost there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here, free daily boosters. So guys, this is where you're going to find the lucky dice. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get a 6 on this Wcoin lucky dice. You're going to get it 3 times daily. You're not going to get 1, you're not going to get 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, just 6. So guys, I'm going to be breaking it to you guys. So guys, now let me go ahead now to show you guys the 4th way you can actually use to increase the number of mine coin that you mine daily. So guys, now you can see where it is written worker. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. That's a bot that can actually mine coin for you when you're offline. So guys, you can see I've already bought it. I can't remember the amount of coin that I used in buying it. But guys, what you have to do in case you've not bought this bot, in case you've not bought this boat called Worker. What you have to do is to buy it. Once you buy it, anytime you go offline and you come back to this app, you will see that this boat has mined coins for you. Sometimes it will mine up to 100,000 coin, sometimes 50,000 coin, depending on the hours that you left and came back. So guys, now you can see the next one right there where it is written multiplier. You can see it there. So guys, now if you want to increase the number of coin that you mine every day, what you have to do is to buy that multiplier. What that multiplier does is that whenever you're tapping on your screen, whenever you're tapping to claim coin in the home page, you will notice that the coin that you're tapping on is being multiplied by 100. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you guys. Let me go back now to my home page. Let me show you guys what I mean. So guys, now let me tap on this. You're going to see that the number of coin that are mined by just one tap is 11 coin. But with that multiplier, is to times it by 100 at intervals, not every time. So as you're tapping consistently, it's going to be multiplying it by 100. So guys, let's just do this calculation. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can see that I have 3,600 coin to mine. You can see my balance. My balance is 7,000. So 3,000 plus 37 should give me 40,000. Guys, you will notice that once I'm done tapping on this thing now, you're going to see that my balance will be more than 40,000 because of that multiplier boat. If you buy that multiplier boat, it will multiply your mine coin. So guys, let me tap on it now. You're going to see that this is going to be more than 40. It will even get to 45,000. So guys, let me tap on it right away. Let me just tap on it. Let me keep tapping on it. Just notice it. You can see it has gotten to 40 and I still have coin to mine left. Normally it's supposed to stop at 40, judging from the amount that I have down there. So guys, now you can see it got to 45,000, which is as a result of that multiplier effect. So guys, now let me go back. Now that's what you need to do in order to increase your mining here on this platform. So guys, now the last one that you need to do now is to buy skins. You can see where it is written W skins. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see under the W skin, you can see there are so many skins that you can buy. And as you can see, I bought all the skins. Let me count them. How many are they? 3, 6, 9. There are actually 9 of them. You can see I bought all of them, and there are actually benefits of actually buying skin on any mining platform. And one thing you have to know is that the reward or benefit of buying skin is different for every platform you get. It's not the same for every platform. So guys, for Wcoin, the reward might be different. For Notcoin, the reward will be different. For Hamster Combat, the reward will be different depending on the platform. So guys, there are several benefits of buying skin. Some rare skins may increase in value over time, making them a collectible digital asset. So guys, it's very important to get some skin. If you can't get all of them, just get 1 or 2. You can see I bought all of them. Some skin may grant you access to exclusive features, bonus mining power, and several other benefits. So guys, make sure you get them. So guys, if you do all of these that I've showed you guys daily, you will increase the number of coin that you mine in this platform. So guys, now let me go ahead now to show you guys the trick on how you can actually get a 6 consistently 3 times daily on this Wcoin mining platform. So guys, it's very easy. So guys, what I will do now is to tap on where you can see lucky dice. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it already. So as I can see what's written here, lucky dice. Try out your luck and get up to 20 times your tapping for 10 seconds, 3 times daily. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get 6 3 times daily. So guys, now what I have to do now is to tap on roll. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So guys, let me tap on it. But guys, if I tap on it, let me tell you guys what you should expect. Immediately I tap on roll, what I will do is that I will look at the dice turning. So if the dice is turning and it shows me a number that is not 6, what I will do is that I will immediately cancel it. That's the trick. So if I tap on roll, I will just watch closely as the die is rolling. If the die shows me 3, I will immediately cancel it. Guys, that's the trick. That's how you can get this. So guys, let me just show you guys an example. Let me just tap on roll. So guys, like I said, make sure you immediately tap on cancel. If you see that the number that is being displayed after the dice is done rolling is not 6, what you have to do is to immediately cancel it. So this Wcoin strategy depends on how fast you can cancel it when it's not a 6. So guys, that's the trick. Make sure you're fast with cancelling it. So guys, now let me go ahead now to tap on roll. So guys, now you can see the die is rolling. So guys, now you can see, luckily for me, I got a 6 at my first trial. So let me go ahead now to tap real quick. Let me tap on the screen real quick to claim more rewards. Let me do that real quick. So guys, let me go ahead now to try the lucky dice again. So let me tap on lucky dice. Then let me tap on roll. So guys, it's rolling. It's a 5. Let me cancel it. So guys, now you can see I was quick at cancelling it. You can see I successfully cancelled it. You can see my chances didn't reduce. You can see I would then have to actually roll again to get a 6, to try if I can get a 6. So guys can see it didn't reduce. My number of chances didn't reduce. You can see. Let me tap on lucky dice again. Let me tap on roll again. It's a 5 again. Let me cancel it. Let me tap on lucky dice again. Let me tap on roll. Okay guys, it's a 6, so let me let it be. So guys, now let me tap real quick to claim my reward. So guys, now you can see I'm done tapping and my balance has added up. So guys, now there is a trick that I need to add to this strategy. There's an additional trick that I need to add for you to be successful with this strategy. So guys, now that additional trick is making sure that your network is not a strong network. If you're using a strong network, just step it down. If you're using 4G, make sure you reduce it to 3G, or you can use H. Just try to reduce your network connection when you want to tap on Wcoin, when you want to mine on Wcoin, when you want to do the lucky dice. Just make sure you reduce your network. By reducing or stepping down your network connection, the Wcoin app will not be able to respond quickly, thereby giving you the chance, the time, that split second to be able to cancel the lucky dice when it's not a 6. So guys, just make sure you use this additional trick so that you can be sure that this strategy will work for you. So guys, it's going to work and it has been working for me. So guys, just try it out. So guys, now you can see this is the Wcoin lucky dice 6 rolling strategy. Just make sure you try it out. It works. I've done it several times. Just make sure you're fast in cancelling it once the number is not 6. Once the number is not 6 and you cancel it, you'll be given a chance again to roll again. The number of your chances will not be reduced, rather it will be the same way it was. Then you have to roll again. So guys, that's how it works. Just go ahead now to do it and thank me later. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually get a 6 on Wcoin lucky 6 dice consistently for 3 times daily. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.